First day of the month. This is how you find good offers on Crakrevenue, guys. Crakrevenue is one of the best CPA marketing platforms out there by far. I mean, they're like at the highest level, best organization, best layout, best paying, best freaking everything. They have the best support. These offers right here, right off the bat. I mean, I made a lot of money with these offers. These offers convert. The smart link is really good if you know what you're doing. Jerkmate, biggest freaking offer out there ever. It's very saturated. The only way you could promote this is just with free traffic, making content, and then just linking to it. Because it's already so saturated, you just want to organically have people. You don't want to pay for traffic that's already opted in. If you look at the data behind it, you know that it's huge. This is a new offer. Great offer, freaking fantastic offer, and they pay a good payout. This one right here is good. You kind of want to do this one as well with organic traffic. This is paid traffic, fantastic right there. Smart links, you do want to do paid traffic with. Usually pop under traffic for smart links. This one right here, pay per sale. This can absolutely work with paid traffic, but this is kind of, I would want to do free traffic with this one for sure. Kind of like go to dating sites, pretend I'm someone else, like some hot chick, and then I basically do a bunch of chats back and forth with random people and say, hey, go check me out over here type thing. Same with this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, all of these ones. You don't really want to do paid ads with these ones. You want to do organic, okay? You'll crush it, okay? People just don't know how to promote offers. I'm telling you right now, it took me a long time to just know the right answers to all this stuff. I've made money doing paid ads to this, but the thing is, free traffic will do even better. Just because people have already gotten advertised to this stuff like crazy. To find good opportunity offers, you want to basically see everything there is offered to you, okay? So you kind of want to just click through everything. This is how you find good offers. And you literally need to spend a few hours to find good offers. That's how it's done, man. The offers that aren't here, there's opportunity where the offers are not there. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, let me explain the categories then in this case. So the verticals, adult gaming usually can do good with paid traffic, but you can see a lot of success with free traffic for sure. It's got to build it up. If you do a whole entire, let's say you make a YouTube channel, for example, talking about adult games or something, you link to adult games, but you have to have a bridge page in between. If you have a bridge page in between, then you link to all these games. That can work. You film yourself being funny, playing the games, then link to the games, and you will make money. Make sure you blur stuff out, I'm sure, is the case. I don't know about that. I mean, I don't do that stuff. I do promote some adult offers, but I promote the biggest offers out there. I like to promote mainstream offers, though, that are outside adult, but I use adult traffic. Does that make sense? So I stay away from all the nudity stuff mainly. But if I do find that one of the top offers out there, I'll just grab the link and just promote it. You don't have to see anything bad. Now, the next thing to explain is adult pay site VidOD. Now, this does well with paid traffic for sure. There's a lot of offers like this. Let's see. Okay, they didn't sort. It didn't sort by it, so we have to re-click it. There's one. This is one of the biggest offers out there. If you use an adult spy tool to find offers, this offer crushes it. You could totally promote this, make $25 per payout. Literally go to SimilarWeb and see what's working. Go to Adult Spy Tool, see what's working for other people. You can literally copy success with this offer right now. This is a hot offer. This is a big offer that converts really well. The next thing, apps. Let's look at apps and talk about that. Nope, they don't have any apps, okay? I don't even check for that. So here we are. This one probably doesn't have anything, but let's see. Okay, background checks. This does well with free traffic, talking about you want to have a background check on someone you may know or something, or you make just content, and the best way to make content is on YouTube. It'll get found forever and it'll last forever. But if you want to do a blog too, you can do that too, and you talk about, hey, you could share stories, you could share funny stories, and you could just talk to people about, hey, you want to figure out about someone's background check, and you basically promote these offers. Okay, you make $20 per freaking conversion. Okay, you can crush it with that. I wouldn't do paid traffic with this. I really wouldn't do paid traffic with those. Beautiful beauty offers. Here we are. Okay, 0 offers. But what I was going to say about it is if you find a beauty offer, you could do female targeted traffic, or you could do even gay traffic, which I stay away from gay traffic, but you could totally do it. Skincare offers can work. I remember listening to a mentor about it, and he's like, yeah, you could totally convert freaking those type of things with gay traffic. It's kind of crazy. And I was like, nah, I don't want to do that. I'll just stick with other stuff that can make money. This is crazy, right? So cams is probably the most common out there. In this scenario, I'd want to sort by EPC right off the bat and see the highest EPCs. I believe it was already sorted. Cam Soda is the highest payout one right now. That's kind of how you look for them. Chatterbait, massive. I would actually go as far as, if you're a girl out there, you could do both of these and make money with these just using the platforms, and then also linking to Chatterbait for people to go through affiliate link and sign up, or sign up to be a content creator, or sign up to basically add tokens or whatever the heck it is, okay? It's kind of crazy to me how many people use these sites. these campsites. I mean, I don't use these things like at all. I stay away from most of adult marketing. What attracts me about adult marketing is the fact it's so cheap. There's so much traffic. There's so much money to be made. It's mind blowing, man. This one pays $65. So this is a great offer. I would promote this because it's a big offer right now. It's not too saturated. You could basically do paid traffic with this right now. But in future, if anything's saturated cam wise, like I was talking about top offers here, you can simply just do free traffic methods. Dating, definitely a big vertical. Dating sites for sure. I mean, most of their offers is this. They got 400, okay, out of 667 offers, I believe. We're sorted by APC. This is the biggest one. This is for Spanish and Spain. This one right here, France, okay, right here, France, United States, right here. So it's like you have opportunities outside of United States to start promoting offers, guys. You literally have opportunities everywhere. I always tell people if you want to make instant money with adult, just go to countries outside of the United States and just promote the offers that allow it. And you could crush it with banner traffic and with pop under. Okay, pop under is different. I would honestly do pop under with Smart Link and just literally do worldwide. Okay, you guys can make a lot of money. Just flip cash with that, and then optimize from there. Figure it all out. Okay, I'm not going to give every secret out there, but I will tell you, pop under traffic plus a Smart Link global, because it's so cheap, and I mean, there's so many offers you can get redirected to and then monetize multiple different ways. It gets pretty insane, my guys. Okay. So this one's big offer, big offer, big offer. I mean, they all are big offers at the top. Big offer, but in general, sometimes some other offers can stand out. This offer, sometimes fetish or niche offers, I don't really like to even promote, but you can target keywords with Traffic Junkie. You can target exact keywords, guys. It gets pretty insane what you can do with advertising these days. Okay, nothing there for entertainment. Let's see. Erectile dysfunction can work for sure. Paid traffic works very well with this. You just literally, you're getting in front of so many people, you tell them what there is that you're offering, and yeah, they'll go check it out and see if they want to buy. And it absolutely works. Absolutely works, okay? Well, that's weird. Oh, niche, okay. Gambling, doubt they have any, but sometimes they can have new offers. They don't have any there. Okay, they have no sweepstakes, no surveys, no select lead. Let's see, mail enhancement is probably the only other one that has stuff. Okay, because remember, dating had 400 something, which is most of the offers. So here we are. These offers crush. I've made a lot of money with these, and also over on the Cell Health platform. Okay, basically has a bunch of offers that can work really good. Pill offers, neutral offers, all this stuff. This is the biggest offer right here. Okay, volume pills. This is the biggest offer right now, guys, by the way, and I'm not getting 30%, I'm getting 40% on this on Cell Health platform. It's crazy. Okay, this offer's big as well. And this one I haven't tested very much of, but if at all, I haven't really promoted this at all. But if I were to, I would find out quickly. It's probably really converting really well. I haven't looked into it till looking at it just now. And its EPC is 84%. I mean, 84 cents. That's pretty good. This offer is the biggest for sure, but you can get higher commissions for sure on another platform than this. On Crakrevenue, I promote the biggest offers out there. I'm promoting this one right now like crazy. I'm promoting Smart Link like crazy. I've got other secret offers, but a lot of dating offers for sure. So I kind of showed you guys what's there, and there is a lot of opportunity here. So I'm running paid ad campaigns, and I know how to find like the best offers to promote, like by far. There are 731 offers on Crakrevenue. Some offers suck, but a lot of offers will make you millions of dollars and definitely high six figures if you really scale. But if you want to make thousands of dollars per day, no problem, bro. With Crakrevenue, you could absolutely make thousands of dollars per day. If you get to $1 million a month with adult marketing and adult advertising, good for you. I'm trying to reach that point with adult marketing, and the only way I see how I can do that, guys, by the way, is with high ticket sales plus adult marketing. And how you do that, you're going to have to think about how to do that in your brain, but I have a few ideas for it. I'm talking some of the most effective strategies combined over the years I've been involved in marketing. So just think of something high ticket you can sell, or just pick an offer here and you can sell it, okay? And you can run ads to it. You can check out other videos where I talk about how to make money with Crakrevenue. If they wanted to, like they could partner up, I'm sure, with like huge adult sites, and they could partner up with Traffic Junkie, and they could be the biggest affiliate by far. But anyway, my point is, I'm going to tell you how to find offers real quick on Crakrevenue. If you sort by EPC, that's one of the most guaranteed ways to just find great offers. But another way to do it is like you can literally message inside of Crakrevenue, and this works for any network out there. You can literally like contact your affiliate managers and the team, and you can ask them questions like, hey, what are the best offers to promote right now? And they'll tell you. Crakrevenue also has a section where they share with you the top offers across their network. I mean, these offers are making literally like 6 figures to 7 figures per month, no problem. They're making racks. Okay, it's ridiculous. So, and then there's the recently added offers. You can test those and be one of the first people to test those recently added offers before other affiliates do. So that's really, really effective to do. Crakrevenue also has a cool feature where it's called the Smart Link. And man, you can promote that Smart Link and you can make money. But the trick behind how to do that is super important. I'll have some videos about how to do the Smart Link and stuff like that. One of their most prized possession offers out here is the My Free Cams, okay? This has made them pretty much their whole network. Like this made Crakrevenue obscene amounts of money. It has its own section on Crakrevenue because it converts so high, because it's made millions of dollars along with making the affiliates millions and millions of dollars, okay? On a daily basis, they attract unique visitors on a daily basis all the time. Like this offer is evergreen as heck. It's one of the largest cam sites in the entire world is My Free Cam, so you can be an affiliate for it. You get paid on a double opt-in. You get paid around $2 for tier 1 traffic, all right? Now that's pretty good. But I would say doing free traffic methods at this point with any saturated offer is the key to promote these offers. If you're going to do any paid ads promoting any offer out there, it's good to do new offers and it's good to do offers that have been out for a while but not like super saturated, if you know what I mean. If you promote an offer that is super saturated, like I'm saying, like you need to actually capitalize on search traffic and ranking for these offers, okay? And making content and doing content marketing. That's the free route to do. So you do a lot of content marketing and you promote these offers through your content. And that's a very, very guaranteed way to get a lot of conversions on any adult offer. I don't care. Here's the thing, like you could be in any niche. You don't have to do adult. You can do any freaking CPA network and you can crush it. You can absolutely crush it. Just literally always come back to the site and look for new offers to promote and you will find just tons of offers to crush it with, okay? So guys, go make racks, and I'll see you Learn Machines later. Peace out.